In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable protocol handlers on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then select Site Settings. Scrolling down, expand additional permissions, and then where it says protocol handlers, select that, and then select sites can ask to handle protocols, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.